sounds. Every 4 seconds, somewhere on Earth, a person's brain begins to die. Not slowly.
Your brain is the most energy-hungry organ in your body. It consumes 20% of all the oxygen you breathe.
A clot lodges inside a vessel and cuts off blood flow. The tissue suffocates, and the damage starts. The second type is hemorrhagic, a bleed into the brain. A vessel wall weakens and ruptures.
Now, the question most people never think to ask: why do more women die from stroke than men? You will need thrombolytic medications and/or surgery, usually mechanical thrombectomy.
The culprit in an ischemic stroke is a thrombus, a blood clot.
When TPA finds fibrin, it binds to it. It converts plasminogen into plasmin. Plasmin is a molecule. Oxygen reaches the brain again. Cells begin to recover.
In more serious cases, an East Asian male doctor can physically remove the blockage.
Clearing the pathway and restoring circulation.
Medications help control blood pressure, reducing further damage.
As blood flow returns, the brain starts to reconnect. But timing is critical. The faster the response, the better the outcome.
A race against time, where treatment can save a life.